It's time for What Stopped the Block this week.
Next door in House 4, Elise and Matt have got the best too.
They're the best chippy in Australia and the Instagram model. Ah, why are you so shy, bloke?
That'd be Mighty from Mighty 10 and Paul their chippy, who's been hiding a very big secret.
Oh, Paulie, our chippy.
Far out, Brussels sprout.
This has exploded.
Done. Paulie's got 14,000 Instagram followers. I know. Can I show you something? Ready? Oh, 14,200 now, Paulie. And my little friend Keithy, my best mate. Do you know how many Instagram followers do you have? Do you want me to have a look?
No.
I think I follow you. I saw his Instagram following, and I felt quite sorry for him. 14,000 v 4,000. Oh, OK. Well, could I show you something?
I stay away from it.
14,200. 14,200. Do you recognise him?
We're supposed to be renovating.
Do you recognise him with his...
We're supposed to be renovating.
Do you recognise him?
Look at that.
So I said to Keithy, you too can become Insta-famous if you get your rig out. Like Paulie. Mate, I told you, it's the only way to do it. You need a body off.
A body off.
A body off. So, the fun began. Oh! Got his kid off! Keith's got his kid off! He went straight to the laundry and got his top off, and I had to go get Paul to do the same thing. Come on, Paulie.
Why are we making this a thing?
Because Keith's in the laundry with his top off.
Okay, let's do this. Why are you doing this
Probably
thing?
scared now, aren't you?
I am, look at that.
And then they did a top off.
This is the most embarrassing moment of my life.
This is the most embarrassing moment of my career.
You know what? This is the best day of my life.
It's just normal to get your shirt off, isn't it, Keithy? Sure. What's wrong with it? It's okay.
There are some things you just can't unsee.